So here we have the Fiat Fullback on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 4-door vehicle with tinted windows and alloy wheels. I'll show you the storage area in the rear here first, and then we'll work our way back round to the front of it from there. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have the tow bar, and as you may well expect, plenty of storage space there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre, you can see the total miles. They are 62,508. We have the fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this vehicle is in there as well. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control, speed limiter and stereo controls, the minus and plus pedals, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the centre, the main touch screen for the vehicle, which includes, as you can see, satellite navigation. Of course, you can access your audio options up here. We have DAB radio, for example, FM radio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. You can listen to your own music under the media heading. You've got all your radio options just there, as well as your own options beneath it. And as you can see, they include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired up your phone, which is done by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see the full colour reversing camera there as well. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on, or hit auto. When you do that, the car will maintain, or the vehicle will maintain those temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. Beneath that, we have 2 heated seats, so driver and passenger, with 2 heat settings on each. We have our USB input underneath that cap and a 12-volt charging socket. Some storage just here, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then your 4-wheel drive off-road controls just here. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork for the vehicle. So you can see there 2 keys, the V5 registration document, of course, and the service book, with plenty of stamps in there, as you can see. The most recent of which was done last year. If this vehicle requires an MOT within the next 6 months, at the point at which we sell it, we will do that MOT for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.